in blockchain networks? Let's dive into the fascinating world of blockchain mining. At the heart of this process, we have miners. These are not individuals with hard hats and pickaxes, but powerful computers that play a pivotal role in validating transactions and securing the network. Now, let's consider blockchain networks that use a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, such as Bitcoin. In these networks, miners are tasked with solving complex mathematical puzzles. But why, you may ask? Well, it's through this process they validate transactions and create new blocks. When a transaction is initiated, it's sent out to the network. Miners gather these transactions and verify them, ensuring the sender has sufficient funds and the transaction adheres to the network's rules. Once validated, these transactions are bundled into a new block. So in essence, miners are the backbone of any blockchain network, ensuring every transaction is valid and secure. But how does this mining process work, you may ask? Well, let's break it down into simpler steps. Imagine a user initiates a transaction on a blockchain network, like buying a digital cat on a platform that uses cryptocurrency. As soon as this transaction is made, it's like a flare going up. It gets broadcasted to the entire network. Now here's where our miners step in. Imagine them as diligent detectives collecting these transactions as they're broadcasted. They don't just collect them, though, they also verify their validity. They check if the sender actually owns the digital cat they're selling and if they have enough cryptocurrency to pay for the transaction fee. This is their first task, to sift through and verify transactions. Once they've validated a set of transactions, they then bundle them together like a book. This book is what we call a block. Now, the next step is where things get really interesting. Our miners, with their blocks ready, enter a competition. They're like runners at the starting line, waiting for the gunshot.